Hey my peeps, how you doing? I'm coming with a third video for the day, but I couldn't let this one go. I am at the Walmart Garden Center on Emerson, and they have a ton of clearance flowers. So my soil sisters, get ready for this. It's the local Jacksonville, Florida Walmart on Emerson Street, and they are loaded down with a bunch of clearance flowers. So $8, and we know how to put them in the hospital and bring them back to life. $8 hanging baskets. This hanging basket is $5. This whole rack of azaleas with no flowers, but some of them are pretty decent. Okay, sisters, we have all the markdown clearance at the Walmart at the Jacksonville location on Phillips Highway near Emerson, and $8 for these hanging baskets. $8, a whole rack of azaleas for $2.92. They're pretty small, and it's some that even look pretty healthy for $2.92. I may grab a couple of those. Then we got our border grasses for $2.92, and these they're called white birds, 1 quart white birds. They're pretty sizable for $2.92. We also got these over here for $7.44. Hibiscus, but Gores has azaleas for $5. So this is a good price for hibiscus. They're the red ones, $7.92, $7.44. And we have $2.92 mandevilla. Kind of like those, might grab one. $2.92. A daylily for $2. We have these azaleas for $8.92. These are the new ones that they have not killed yet. Then we go over here. We have some blueberries. They're down home harvest blueberries for $9.92, half off. They're rabbit eye blueberries, $9.92. So they could be saved. I really do believe they could be saved. And here's some zonal geraniums for $4. So all you got to do is put a little Epsom salt on these things, water them, give them some care for a few days, and they'll come right back to life. Got these for $2, these 4 packs. There's another azalea for $5.88. You got these hanging baskets for $5. You got this ground cover butterfly flowers is what I call them for $3. $8 big hanging geraniums. Daylilies, here's some more for $2, which they come back every year because I have some in my yard. Some more $3 geraniums. And then they have these. They real rough hydrangeas. But I think I'm gonna take one and get it back to life because they're regular 19 bucks. I haven't seen any less than 20. And then they even have some smaller ones for $4.49. So I think I'm gonna try to save the life of a small one. So here you go, Walmart, my local peeps. You're not local, I'm so sorry. They also have all-purpose fertilizer, 12-0-12s for $10.97. Hardwood fruit blend. This is not much off. It says save 3. And $1.48 for a bag of red mulch. I might grab that to put around my trees. I just cleaned my car. But they even have some plants. I don't see that worth $6.48, but it's there. So take a look around your local Walmart. See how many plants they almost killed and are marking down. This is an alert. Run deal. Check them out because they've already got them in and start killing them. Going to save a plant's life today and bring a few dollars to Walmart. Have a great day. Hope you enjoyed this video. And today is April the 9th. So this is a current video. Happy hunting. Almost missed this. They also have their bulbs marked down to $2.71, $4.07. So $2.71, $4.07. So they have the bulbs marked down. I don't know what determines the price difference, but I may grab a few of these too. $2.71. Definitely want some of those. Let me go get a buggy. Ooh, here's some more. Bamboo, that's kind of high still. $6.48. Houseplants, $7.48. $7.48. $7.48. $9.48. Oh wow, so they've marked down even, and these don't even look that dead. These can easily be saved. Maybe that's why they're a little bit higher. So get on down to your Walmart. This is half price, $7.48. Okay, get on down to your Walmart. Save a plant today. Bye-bye.